I'm Cheyenne. I'm a last year biology student here at St. Mary's University, and I'm here to tell you a few of the fun things as to why you should come here.
Welcome to St. Mary's Biology program. Listen to our professors and students give an insider look at what makes St. Mary's so special.
The main thing here that I like at St. Mary's University is the small class sizes. This allows you to ask professors one-on-one questions and get the very detailed answer back that you need in order to excel in that class. Another thing I really like here at St. Mary's University is the ability to take trips. That's right, trips. We get to go out to Vancouver Island and we study marine biology out there if you decide to sign up for the marine biology class. Or additionally, we also have a tropical ecology course that allows you to travel to Belize and get some hands-on experience with tropical ecology in the field.
Hey, I'm Krista. I'm the biology lab coordinator here at St. Mary's University. One of the highlights of the biology program is that students get hands-on field experiences in labs. So for example, we have prairie restoration site on campus where students get to learn about plants. Students also have the opportunity to do field work in Fish Creek Park, which is right on the edge of our campus. And one of my favorite things about St. Mary's is just being able to watch students move through their degree. So they come in first year, they make new friends, and their friendships grow stronger over the years. And as an instructor, I like to stay in touch with them throughout their degree, and we also stay in touch afterwards as well once they become alumni.
St. Mary's University is highly respected in the scientific community. But what truly sets it apart is its professors' commitment to effective teaching and genuine care for their students.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Grothman. I'm a biology professor and the chair of the sciences here at St. Mary's University. So one of the advantages of St. Mary's is because we can give you such personal attention, if you're the sort of student who's just loaded with questions and you want to know more than we're able to cover in class, you can come to us. We love questions. We love to think about these ideas. We like to talk about our discipline, of course. If you're the sort of student who really wants to carry the tools forward, you can look at our honors program where we can work on you one-on-one on independent research projects, and that really gives you a chance to stretch yourself, and it's awesome preparation for grad school especially, or for professional school if you have your eyes on pre-medicine, for example.
Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Clay. I teach chemistry at St. Mary's University. In second year organic chemistry, I teach it using what's known as a flipped class model. In this model, students learn the basics of organic chemistry at home on their own, and then we spend class time working in groups and with me as the professor to apply those concepts to organic chemistry. This works phenomenally well. Students are engaged in class the entire time, and it gives them the grades they need to succeed in whatever professional programs they will find themselves in down the road. The experience that students have in biology at St. Mary's leads them into a whole diversity of careers. We've had graduates move on into graduate school to get master's degrees and PhDs in zoology, forensic science, and many other related disciplines. We've had students get into medicine programs, veterinary medicine programs, and pharmacy, and students get jobs directly out of their undergraduate degree in fields as diverse as beer making and in the oil industry.
Hello, my name is Isaac. I'm a third-year biology student here at St. Mary's University, and I love it here. One of the great benefits of attending St. Mary's University, the biology program, is the small class sizes. And why is that beneficial? Well, let's take lab, for example. In lab, you'll be able to dissect things, you'll look under the microscope, and the professor will be right there to assist you, to aid in your learning, and you'll be able to understand things better because of that one-on-one professor help. And furthermore, St. Mary's University has an excellent internship program where you will actually be able to put your learning into practice. You will have that one-on-one mentorship with the lab instructor where they will be able to coach you and refine your skills, which will be applicable as you go on into the real world to find a job. Hey, don't take my word for it. Go to our website, apply today, and find out for yourself.
Do so today.
Thanks for joining us on showcasing our incredible biology program here at St. Mary's University. For more information, please visit our website at www.stmu.ca. Welcome to St. Mary's University.